Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, June 2nd. We are looking at window traders, market profile, SPY, WMN, triple Qs. Let's take a pretty basic, simplistic look at what each side is going to try to do based within the double distribution day and our 3-day balance. So we're trading yesterday is 2 separate days, L's high to the day's low, and then all of A's ranges the upper distribution. So plain and simple, the bear's goal is to stay in the lower distribution and hold these single prints. If they're able to do that, well, eventually we should come out of this 3-day balance to the downside and then attack the day of the 26th, where we had those little small single prints and a very large buy tail. On the flip side, the buyer's goal is not only to get above the lower distribution, but take back the trend day. Those single prints are still rather large. Get into the upper distribution, and then come out of the 3-day balance to the upside. Now, I think one of two things is going to happen. If the sellers are victorious, we should go test both the 20-day moving average again and the 400 level, which buyers are really going to want to hold. On the flip side, if the buyers are successful and take out the 3-day balance to the upside, I think eventually we will get into that large set of single prints that we talked about. And if they're able to finally take those back, go and test the 50-day moving average. Now, again, these are all plans for between now and, say, when the Fed meets in 2 weeks or so. That's basically what we're looking at. Pre-market volume right now, 420,000. Overnight high is 412.20. Overnight low is 408.36. So a basic game plan, you can take a short against L's high. Again, it depends how much heat you want to take inside these single prints if we take out L's high, if you want to continue to short it. Value at that point will be probably overlapping a higher. On the flip side, as far as a long, really not one right here, right now. If there was no afternoon pullback low, no nothing. So basically you have the overnight low and then yesterday's low. So I think I'd wait a little more for a long play at this point. And then on the chart, just show you the daily. So here's your 3-day balance. If we take out yesterday's low, I think the odds are pretty good to go test the 20-day moving average. If we take out the 3-day balance to the upside, we have that large set of single prints from May 5th to deal with. If they're able to get above them, eventually, I think we can go and see the 50-day moving average, which right now, oh, I'm sorry, I was like, that's not right. Right now, it's at 425.21. Obviously, it'll recalculate once we open both the 20 and the 50. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org for $1 a day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.